Melbourne Law School Experiential Learning for Law International Students Program, also known as ELLIS Program, is a 3-week project-based extracurricular program that is designed specifically for international students. Students are put into teams to undertake an allocated project provided by a local organization. During the program, each student team will receive support from a mentor to develop a project plan, a written report, and a final presentation to the client's leadership team.
As part of the ELLIS program, I was involved in the preparation of information for Annika Legal, which is an online legal advice provider for tenants. I've got a fair bit of experience working as a mentor and working with international students, but this one is at a level, I think, where they're providing actual advice to people from a corporation or a company. And I think I found that the students were of a pretty high caliber, and I was expecting that I would need to do more as a mentor and as a coach for them as part of this project, but they literally just grabbed the reins and went running with it. And Leo Cousin, I suppose we were lucky, we've got our premises here, we could have them working on site, and we did have them working on site, which was quite satisfying. So they could come and ask me questions if they needed to, but ultimately they didn't require a lot of that, because I think, all credit to Melbourne Uni, I think they were prepared quite well for the project.
I was always passionate about giving back to the student community, precisely because how much help I have received during my journey as a student at the Melbourne Law School. That's why I chose to participate in the ELLIS program. During this program, I provided guidance to a group of international students studying new regulatory guidance by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission and analysing its impacts to the internal compliance policies for a financial institution. I myself also learned a lot from the students. They're very passionate about the project. They are very keen, and despite the fact that they're not completely familiar with the issues, they always ask the right questions. They're very passionate about studying the ins and outs of these kind of problems. It was also a good opportunity for me to improve my professional skills and improve my communication skills with students.
I would thoroughly recommend someone getting involved with this project. The rewards, obviously, for me, were that I got such a different perspective on things from them. Yes, there's some time dedicated to supporting these students. Any time I invested in that, I think it paid back double with the pleasure that I got out of it, and to see the pleasure from the students and the appreciation from Melbourne University. And I was actually honoured to be part of that program, so I'd thoroughly recommend you get involved in something like that.